Okay, worm problem number 1. Okay, answer for this one is 3. Number 2. Answer is 35. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one is 90. Number 4. Okay, answer for this one is 20. Number 5. Okay, answer for this one was 11. Alright, time for the lottery. Okay, homework check. Go ahead and take it to Mr. Skinner. Okay, answers are 2, 8, and negative 6. Alright, answers are 2, 1, and 2. Alright, answers are 4, 3, and negative 7. Alright, answers are negative 1, 2, and 8. Okay, answers are negative 7, 15, and negative 10. Okay, any questions on the homework? Alright, no papers to pass out today. Today's objective is to review one-step, two-step, and multi-step equations. Our learning target is to review for your test tomorrow over everything you guys did this week. Alright, example 1. Pay attention to the examples because we're going to be, I'm going to have you guys do the practice problems and steps. Okay, first step. We need to make our negative x positive by bringing it to the other side. On the left, we're going to have 12. On the right, we're going to have 7 plus x. After that, we need to bring our 7 to the other side. We want our x to be by itself on one side. When we take our 7 to the other side, it's going to become a negative. So our answer for this will be 5. And these are the steps I'm going to have you guys do. There's going to be a box like right here, and I'll say bring up what's going to be, after the first step, what's in the box on the left side. That type of thing. And then we'll do the right side. And then I'll have you guys do the second step. So you bring up this. And then on the right side, you'll bring up this. Then I'll have you bring up your final answer, okay?
Wait. Okay, so you're just...
We have x minus 6 is equal to 11. Our x is positive, so we're going to leave it there. You guys did this on Monday, I think. So on the left side, you have x. On the right side, your 6 is going to become positive. So your answer is going to be 17. Okay, practice problem number 1. Do your first step and bring up what's on the left side of the equation. Alright, right side after your first step. Okay, good. After we move our x over, we're going to have, okay, on the right side after we move our x, we have negative 1 plus x on this side. Okay, next step, you're going to move your number over. What's going to be on the right side? Okay, after we move our 1 over, we're going to have 3 plus 1 on this side. Alright, what are we going to have left over on the right side? On the right side, after we move the 1 over, all we have left over is the x on this side. Okay, now bring up your final answer. Alright, so our final answer is 4. Alright, for the bonus problem, just bring up the answer. Okay, answer for this one was 11. Alright, practice problem number 2. It should just be x. Okay, on the right side, after we move the 9. To this side. Okay, good. When we move the 9 over, what happens to it?
Next to the negative.
Right, so we have 20 minus 9. Okay, bring up the final answer. Okay, final answer was 11 for the practice problem. Just an extra slide. Okay, bonus number 2. Okay, for this one, we need to move our minus 2 over. Our x is already positive, so we just leave it there. When we bring that over, it's going to become a positive 2. So our answer is going to be 7. Okay, example 3. We have minus x. Minus 4 is equal to 12. We need to make our x positive. To do that, we need to bring it over to the right side. On the left side, we're left with a negative 4. On the right side, we have 12 plus x. Next thing we need to do is get our number on the other side. We want our x by itself. When we move our 12 to the other side, it becomes a minus 12. Negative 4 minus 12 is going to be negative 16. And that'll be our answer. Okay, number 4. X is already positive. We don't need to move it. So all we need to do is move this 6. We want our x by itself. When we move that 6 over, what happens to it? Yes, it becomes a minus 6. So our answer is going to be 4. Okay, practice problem number 3. Okay, on the right or left side, after we move our x over, all that's going to be left is 10. Okay, what's going to be left on the right side? Okay, what's going to be on the right side after we move our x over? We're going to have 13 plus x. Remember, when we move our minus x to the right side, it becomes a positive. Okay, next we need to move our number over. What's going to be on the left side after we move our... Okay, good. When we take our 13 and move it to the left side, it's going to become a minus 13. What do we have left on the right side after that? Everybody? Okay, what's left on the right side after we move our 13? X, that's right. Alright, final answer. Bring it on up. Alright, answer for this one is negative 3. Okay, go ahead and do the bonus problem. Okay, answer for this one is going to be negative 15. Practice problem number 4. Okay, for this one, our first step, x is positive, so we're going to leave it. All we need to do is take our negative 2 and take it to the other side. When we take our negative 2 to the other side, what happens?
It becomes a plus 2.
Right, becomes a positive 2. Okay, what's on the right side after we move our number? Side. Alright, now bring up the final answer. Okay, final answer was 15. Alright, bonus number 4. Well, exchange, because you guys don't have homework. Okay, answer for this one was negative 25. Man, that took a long time. Okay, all your homework for tonight is just to study.